I'm considering digging a pond. So this idea of having a pond and then pushing snow in there as you excavate, as you manage your driveway or whatever, as a way to collect water. I guess, what do you think about that idea?
Yeah, so this is actually what we did for our place. We built a pond kind of centrally located in our yard site for several reasons. One, it was we wanted to catch kind of the water from our roads and put it into productive use, but we also wanted a place to kind of to push snow. The other thing is we wanted it to be for fire suppression. So like from that one point, we can drop a gas powered fire pump into the water, and we can reach all of our buildings on the farm from one location. And later on, it became part of our duckweed system. So absolutely, that's a fantastic use for it. The one thing that I wish we would have done differently is we because we have animals like and they move kind of like past that, we had to put like fencing up so that the animals wouldn't like get into the pond and as we're moving them through. But we use permanent fencing, and particularly like the animals move a lot through there in the summertime. And so I guess if you're going to push snow into it, make sure that the fencing has big gates that you can get access to, or that you're using kind of like temporary or portable fencing panels or something that you can move out during the winter time. And that's kind of what we ended up doing, is we pulled out like a section of the fence and then made it like portable. So in the wintertime, we can just pick it up, move it aside, and then we just push all of our snow. And it's a really great kind of design detail that a lot of people wouldn't think about. So it's this guy must be he must have dealt with some drudgery before.
Well, what do you think about? He's concerned about the purifying the water. I mean, if it's just off your road.
Yeah, I mean, like you're probably not salting your driveway or anything like that, and so I don't see any. Just plant some cattails around it and some aquatic plants, and just monitor for. I mean, like if you watch some of the videos, there's a lot worse things than snow melt going into my ponds with all the pig and cow shit that's I've got just flowing in there. And it's totally fine. And the thing is, it's better for the gardens anyways. It's just fertilizer. If you were drinking it, that'd be a different thing. But for that, if you've got a sand filter or something like that, you're fine. But for garden stuff, just the main thing is salts. That's you want to make sure. The only thing I'd be concerned about is if you're using, if there's any kind of salt that's running off your roads. But even that, a lot of the aquatic plants will, like the bulrushes and cattails, they'll pull that out and the salts will kind of settle down. But you could do a simple water quality test to make sure that the sodium isn't a problem. And if it is, don't use overhead irrigation, use mulch, things like that. I don't see it as a big problem.